Hey YouTube, welcome back. I'm Rosco, and on today's project, we're going to be changing a light bulb. I know it sounds simple, but today's light bulb is 15 feet in the air. So there's a special tool that you can use to change a light bulb that you can't reach. And I have one right here. It's a simple, basic tool. It's a suction cup on a stick with a string attached to it. The string is important because it releases the light bulb when you put the new light bulb in. Before we go changing our light bulb, we want to make sure that the switch is off so we don't accidentally stick this pole into the socket or something. So to use this, you want to clean off your suction cup so it doesn't have any dust on it. You extend the pole out. In this case, I'm going to have to go out all the way. This pole is about 12 feet long, so it'll help me change my light bulb. It's at least 15 feet up there. And you'll use the suction cup and stick it to the light bulb. Like so. Simply unscrew the light bulb and we can bring it down to replace it. To release the light bulb from the suction cup, you will pull on the string and we're ready for our new light bulb. I now have my new light bulb that I'm going to be replacing in here. We're going to stick it on the suction cup, like so. Make sure it's on there good. You can raise it back up. This part can be a little bit tricky to find the socket. Once you get it lined up in the socket, you just screw it in. Now once it's screwed in, it obviously holds my pole. So in order to make it let go, you pull the string and it will let go. This tool is quite handy. I have several light bulbs that I can't reach. These are great for just the can lights that are on a 10-foot ceiling, so you don't have to get out a ladder. In this particular case, it would have been hard to get a ladder to reach this one. It would have had to have been just the right height. So once you have your new light bulb in, you want to go ahead and test it. If it's working right, then you're all set. These are quite handy. They're fairly inexpensive. I will include a link for this light bulb changing tool down below in the description of the video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.